Welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, Baseus Gan 3 Pro, and now I'm going to show you all voltage modes of this charger. So here we have all certificates, excluding Vogue, Dash, Warp, and Church 5. And now we will check all voltage modes for these standards. For example, power delivery. Let's check it. And cool, for power delivery we have, as you can see, 6 different modes. To check how many is it in watts, you just need to multiply volts and amperes. For example, in the first mode, as you can see, we have 15 watts, in the second mode 27, in the third one we have 36, in the 4 we have 45, in the 5 we have 12 multiplied on 3.25, 65 or something about it. And here in the last mode, as you can see, the last mode is the most softable, so it's from 3 and 3 volts to 11 volts, multiplying to 5 amperes. So as you can see, this is the most flexible mode. It can work. So here we have, here we can see the whole diapason of our charger voltage. So it's using from 3.3 voltage to 11. But as you can see, the standard voltage without the connected devices, this device has 5 volts. So the smallest amperes on our device we have is 3 amperes. Okay, cool. Is in power delivery. Now let's check Qualcomm 3.0, and first I can't check it. Qualcomm works on power delivery, so here we will have the same situation. And unfortunately we can't check it in Samsung. Unfortunately. Here, as you can see, we can see only that we have 9 volts and 12 volts, but I think we can multiply it on 3 amperes. I think it will work in the same ampere diapason. So in our case, we can just multiply 12 to 3, and we will see that we can charge our Samsung devices with 36 watts. Or 9 multiplying to 3 amperes is 27. So it's really great amount. So yes, it's really true. So Samsung Galaxy devices charging with 35 watts, and older devices charging with 25 watts. So I think it's true information, and cool. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.